Between my ultrasonic cleaner and channel 19 playing music. This is my Rotel 240 I bought in 2040. It's been on the shelf ever since. Had a broken front. I've been kindly, I'll just put this on a proper channel like 31. It's got this broken, came with this broken front. It's got tape around it to hold it together, and it's very, very worn. It's a high hours set. So one of our, we've got SSB friends. Of course, SSB shouldn't be here, so all this operation is illegal, which is frustrating. So I'll have to get Mr. Chippie, and we'll have to change channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working. I've got a lot of interference on this channel.
Roger, so have I. Try 29.
Roger, 29.
Meanwhile, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Tango 21.
Roger, I'm here.
Yep, roger that. Ready when you are.
Right, I'm just going to plug my extension squeaker in. If only I can find the hole for it.
Yeah, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
Right, I'm in there.
Roger, off we go.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger, I'm not on this one. I've got the tone control.
Yep, roger that. So we're heading up towards the end of the lane. Just passing the passing place.
Low.
Seems to be
We'll keep
doggy
it high.
daycare.
Roger, Dodger, I've done that. That's fine.
Roger.
Radio is really sensitive. It's 0.2 something. 0.21 microvolts for 12 decibel SINAD. I think a full 4 watt output. So we're on our standard replacement mic.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger, Dodger.
Through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Wilsford was open garden today, and with a nice display supposedly in church as well. So there you go. High down to the wilderness.
Yeah. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Looks like you're loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Rotel RVC240 from 1981. Standard replacement line to ready. All 4 1
Yep, roger that. Well received.
Dodger. That's I've had on the job for 14 years. One job eBay for £37. I've been waiting for a front, and a flat front. And finally, all kinds of sensors and front
Very good. Thank you to them. Have you got the gain up, Phil, on the mic for that? Because you are a little bit quiet.
Oh, Roger, I was to talk probably a bit more squarely into it.
Yeah, that's better.
I will double check this because since I did the deviation, I've changed more capacity.
Yep, roger that. So we've just gone over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, got you at Wilson level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. One from Mr. Chippie went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. So, Rotel 240, standard replacement bike, full forward output, doing 1.29 amps to do that. Obviously on low power, fixed settings to the sub preset. So here we go, 430 watts, 540. 430 watts, now going 460, no extra full power, and there we are back at 4 watt minimum.
Yep, no problem on full power. Did have to override the squelch on low power. It's quite noisy today.
Yeah, Roger, all the leaves on the trees and all the noise from abroad and all that. Yeah, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over. Yep, 147.9 and 149.9.
Wow, that's a rip-off today.
Same as it's been for a couple of weeks.
143.9 at Sainsbury's in Grantham.
Roger.
And that's it. Right, thanks for that. That worked a treat.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Okay. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rotel level crossing. So have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, 147.9 and 149.9.
Wow, that's a rip-off today.
Same as it's been for a couple of weeks.
143.9 at Sainsbury's in Grantham.
Roger.
And Asda. Right, well, thanks for that. That worked a treat.
Roger that.
1010. Right, that's lovely. Put a lot of work into it. Had to change the audio IC. So, you know, you buy the set, £30-something plus post. Have to wait 10 years for a front to turn up. Audio IC, 4 capacitors. One was missing for some bizarre reason. And then we've had to replace the low power preset. The tone switch had fallen apart. I had to put that back together, but all the parts were there. Wrong knob, wrong knob. Am I bothered? No, I'm not. Let's go over to our base station. Remember, it's on 29 and see what it sounds like. I don't think that clear normal thing works. Most people have linked these out and they can stay that way because it's not a good feature.
Tango 21, testing the Rotel RVC240 with a standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Next video, before we say that, let's do high and low power. So this is a hum test. Let's go to low power, see if there is a hum, it will disappear. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on low power, then back to full power. Just for a laugh, for giggles, we'll see whether the clear switch works. I'm on normal now, flicking to, was in clear. That's normal, testing 1, 2, 3. That's clear, 1, 2, 3. That's normal, 1, 2, 3. I don't think it'll make any difference. Right, forthcoming extractions, we've got a Mousecom 7E to do tomorrow. It's been kindly sent in by a viewer as a freebie, which is very nice, and I appreciate that, so thank you to that person. He also sent a tone arm and a cartridge, I think it's a crystal cartridge for a 50 type of record turntable. He's never do a bit of vintage audio, so that's also nice to have, thank you. We're going to then be doing another emergency set. We've got a, now there's one with an LED display. Oh, it's the Cybernet ZX1, you don't see many of those. And then we've got a Midland 76900 I've been working on, but I haven't launched any part of the video yet. I had to order a display from the United States. Anyway, that's come. So, thank you very much, and